Tesla update here on the 27th. Another Tesla update. Like I said in the overall market update, I think this is a ABC move. I don't think that this is a 5-wave move, but it could prove me wrong. But here's the current count. Switch back to this being the end of the B wave. On second thought, this doesn't make any sense because this looks very corrective and then this looks impulsive. So how could that be a second wave? So we have A, B right here, and then here's my count on this wave right here. So we get 1, A, B, C, 2. We get this move up, 1, and then you get kind of like a WXY move over to here. And then you can see here that third wave right there, fourth wave right there, and then you get this 5-wave move up here. That's the third wave. We get this ABC move right here. For the fourth wave, you can also do this too. And you can see fourth wave right through the parallel line. So I think that this is actually in a fifth wave. My target is going to be somewhere around here, right where the 1.61 fib is. So 1.61 fib is right up here at 262.24. We're at 260.33. So I think there's a chance we make one more high here. And you can see here it was a pretty short first wave. And so I think that that would be the end of the third wave or the C wave. But again, it didn't get outside the parallel line, so I'm thinking this is a C wave. The only other count that's bullish, if this doesn't get outside the parallel line, is some kind of rising wedge. Like this. So this parallel line would probably get hit by like next week down here at 238, 239, and then we would rise up here to like 290 going into earnings and fill this gap. Let's see if we put the first wave on top of and it comes very close to 290. So those are the two counts I have now. I really having a hard time saying this is going to be an impulse move. Forget my video where I had this as a second wave. That never really made sense to me. I was just trying to figure out what this was. So again, either one of these is a B wave though. One of them is an expanded flat. The other one is just a normal flat. Like that. The expanded flat can come all the way down here to 160. Of course, you could come down here to like 220 and be a running flat too. But that kind of tells me that October, like I said in previous videos, in October, we're either going to go small dip into like the first week of October and then run into the election, or just an all-out dip throughout October into the election. Those are the two options I see. I don't see us continuing to just go up and up and up and up and up over the next like week or two. I think either way there should be a dip in the market, and on QQQ I think it's coming down here to at least 475 to 470. So that also is another reason why I think Tesla comes down here. This retraced to the 0.5 fib. And if this retraces to the 0.5 fib, let's see where it would go. Well, in between the 0.38 and 0.5 fib is this gap fill right here. On the low side down here, but I don't think it would get down there. It'd only get down here to 240. Unless we're doing the move down. So, if we're doing the move down, we're looking at probably, let's see, 21... 52, looking at 40 days down. So we're looking right into the election. So I'm thinking we're either going to be, where's that at? So right around the election, we'll be down here, or we'll be up here. We're either going to do that, or we're going to do this down into the 7th, and then rise into the election, basically, and then come down. So until this breaks the parallel line and proves me wrong, those are the two scenarios I see on Tesla. So if you're getting FOMO, missing out right here, just know that there's resistance right here, and it's unlikely that we're going to see a big move higher next week. They'll probably bring it up on Monday, though, so maybe it hits 262 and then kind of chops around, because that is the last day of September. After that, I think we can fall for the next week or so. So that's it for this video. That is Tesla, and we'll find out what happens here early next week.